Imagine waking up tomorrow with no savings, no audience, no business, and no special connections. Just you, a laptop, an internet connection, and the goal of building an extra $5,000 per month. Would it still be possible in 2026? Most people would immediately say no. They believe the opportunities are gone, that social media is saturated, that AI has taken over, that all the easy money has already been made. But here's the truth. Every year, thousands of ordinary people go from complete beginners to earning thousands of dollars per month online. Not because they're smarter, not because they're luckier, but because they understand one thing most people don't. Income follows value. And in today's economy, creating value has never been easier. When people hear the phrase side hustle, they often imagine complicated businesses, risky investments, or working 80-hour weeks. But the reality is much simpler. Most successful side hustles begin with solving a problem. A business is simply a solution packaged in a way that people are willing to pay for. The challenge isn't finding opportunities. The challenge is identifying the right opportunity and sticking with it long enough for momentum to build. Today, we're going to walk through a realistic roadmap that someone could follow to go from zero income to potentially earning $5,000 per month in 2026. The idea of building a $5,000 per month side hustle often sounds intimidating because most people immediately focus on the end result rather than the journey. They see the number and assume it requires extraordinary talent, a massive social media following, significant startup capital, or years of business experience. But when you study how many successful side hustles actually begin, a different story emerges. Most start with a single skill, a simple service, and a willingness to solve a problem for someone else. The path from $0 to $5,000 per month is rarely a straight line, but it is often much more achievable than people imagine because it is built on gradual progress rather than overnight success. One of the biggest misconceptions about entrepreneurship in 2026 is that money is the primary barrier to entry. In reality, the modern economy increasingly rewards knowledge, creativity, and execution. Technology has dramatically lowered the cost of starting a business. A generation ago, launching a company often required office space, inventory, equipment, employees, and substantial financial risk. Today, a laptop and an internet connection provide access to a global marketplace. Millions of businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs actively seek solutions to problems every single day. The question is no longer whether opportunities exist. The question is whether someone is willing to develop a skill that creates value. This is why the fastest route to side income usually begins with services rather than products. Products often require development, manufacturing, inventory, logistics, and marketing before a single dollar is earned. Services, on the other hand, can be offered almost immediately. A person can learn video editing, graphic design, copywriting, AI automation, social media management, email marketing, website development, or content creation, and begin offering those skills to clients within weeks or months. The beauty of services is that they allow individuals to monetize their abilities without needing large amounts of capital. They exchange expertise for income, creating cash flow that can later be invested into bigger opportunities. Imagine someone starting from absolutely nothing. They decide to learn video editing because businesses increasingly depend on short-form content, YouTube videos, advertisements, and social media campaigns. At first, they may struggle to find clients. Their skills may be basic. Their portfolio may be empty, but every project completed increases their competence and credibility. The first client may pay $100. The second might pay $250. A few months later, a recurring client might pay $1,000 per month. Over time, the side hustle gains momentum. What initially looked impossible begins to feel realistic because progress compounds. The important lesson is that income often follows value creation. The more valuable a person's skills become, the more opportunities emerge. This concept of compounding is often overlooked because people associate compounding exclusively with investing. But skills compound too. Experience compounds. Reputation compounds. Every project teaches lessons that make the next project easier. Every satisfied client increases the likelihood of referrals. Every improvement in efficiency creates more capacity to serve additional customers. The side hustlers who ultimately reach significant income levels are often the ones who understand this principle. They don't focus on getting rich immediately. They focus on becoming incrementally better every week. As income begins to grow, another important shift occurs. Most people start by trading time for money. They work a certain number of hours and receive payment in return. While this model can generate meaningful income, it has limitations. There are only so many hours available in a day. Eventually, growth slows because time becomes the bottleneck. This is where many successful entrepreneurs begin thinking differently. Instead of asking how they can work more, they ask how they can create leverage. Leverage is one of the most powerful concepts in business because it allows effort to produce results beyond the limits of time. For example, a freelancer might develop templates that reduce the amount of work required for each project. A consultant might create a repeatable system that delivers consistent outcomes. A content creator might produce videos that continue attracting viewers long after they are published. Leverage allows the same amount of effort to generate greater results, and it is often the bridge between a small side hustle and a scalable business. This is where digital assets become incredibly valuable. Unlike traditional work, digital assets can continue producing value long after they are created. A YouTube video can generate views and leads for years. An online course can sell repeatedly without requiring constant updates. An email newsletter can build relationships with thousands of subscribers simultaneously. A digital template can be purchased by customers around the world without additional production costs. These assets effectively become digital employees working around the clock. They don't eliminate effort entirely, but they dramatically increase efficiency. One of the most significant developments shaping side hustles in 2026 is artificial intelligence. Many people initially viewed AI as a threat to jobs and entrepreneurship. However, some of the most successful entrepreneurs are using AI as a force multiplier rather than a competitor. AI tools can accelerate research, assist with content creation, automate repetitive tasks, improve customer service, generate design concepts, and streamline workflows. Tasks that once required entire teams can now be performed by a single individual equipped with the right tools. This shift creates a fascinating opportunity. Small entrepreneurs can now compete more effectively against larger organizations because technology amplifies their productivity. A solo creator can produce content at a scale that would have been impossible a few years ago. A consultant can automate routine processes and focus on higher value activities. A business owner can use AI to improve efficiency while keeping costs low. The result is that individuals can often create more value in less time, which directly impacts their earning potential. Another crucial component of building a successful side hustle is audience development. Many people mistakenly believe that audiences are only important for influencers or content creators. In reality, audiences represent trust, attention, and opportunity. Whether someone is a freelancer, consultant, coach, educator, or entrepreneur, having an audience increases visibility and credibility. People are more likely to buy from someone they know, like, and trust. Content helps establish that trust at scale. The most successful side hustlers understand that every piece of content acts like a digital salesperson. A single video can attract potential clients. A blog post can answer questions and establish expertise. A newsletter can nurture relationships with future customers. Unlike traditional networking, content allows individuals to build trust with hundreds or thousands of people simultaneously. Over time, this creates a powerful advantage because opportunities begin arriving organically rather than requiring constant outreach. Interestingly, many people focus on growing massive audiences when they would be better served by cultivating smaller, highly engaged communities. A creator with 5,000 loyal followers often generates more revenue than someone with hundreds of thousands of disengaged viewers. The quality of attention frequently matters more than the quantity. Trust is what drives business outcomes, and trust is built through consistency. As the side hustle continues evolving, optimization becomes increasingly important. The goal is no longer simply generating income. The goal becomes building a system that operates efficiently and predictably. Successful entrepreneurs constantly evaluate what activities create the highest returns and eliminate distractions that don't contribute meaningfully to growth. They automate repetitive tasks, improve processes, refine offers, and focus their energy on activities that generate the greatest impact. Over time, these improvements create a flywheel effect. Better systems lead to better results. Better results create stronger reputations. Stronger reputations attract better opportunities. Better opportunities generate higher income. What once began as a small side project gradually transforms into a meaningful business. The path from $0 to $5,000 per month rarely happens overnight, but it often follows this pattern of consistent improvement, value creation, leverage, audience building, and optimization. The most important takeaway is that building a successful side hustle is less about discovering a hidden secret and more about embracing a process. The individuals who ultimately succeed are rarely the smartest people in the room. They are often the people who stay consistent when others quit, who continue learning when others become discouraged, and who focus on creating value rather than chasing shortcuts. In a world where technology continues to expand opportunities, the ability to solve problems, build trust, and create leverage may be one of the most valuable skills a person can develop. And for those willing to commit to the journey, the goal of earning $5,000 per month from a side hustle may be far closer than it appears. As we move through 2026, several major trends are creating opportunities for new entrepreneurs. Artificial intelligence tools continue lowering startup costs, allowing individuals to launch businesses faster than ever before. The creator economy remains one of the fastest-growing sectors globally, while businesses increasingly outsource specialized tasks to freelancers and consultants rather than hiring full-time employees. Remote work has also expanded the global marketplace, enabling individuals to serve clients worldwide instead of being limited to their local area. The result is that opportunity has become more accessible than ever before. The challenge is no longer access. The challenge is execution. The journey from $0 to $5,000 per month isn't about finding a secret strategy. It's about developing valuable skills, solving real problems, creating systems, and remaining consistent long enough for those efforts to compound. The good news is that you don't need special connections, a huge budget, or years of experience to begin. You simply need to start. Now I want to hear from you. If you had to start a side hustle today with absolutely $0, what would you choose and why? Leave your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos on wealth building, side hustles, investing, and financial freedom. Because one decision today could completely change where you are financially a year from now. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.